Today we're going to be looking at some new models by KB Homes. It's going to be the Meridian complex over in the Henderson area near Galleria Mall. These models are going to be 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,510 square foot, and we're going to have a 1-car garage.
It's nice to see builders going back to starter homes. For so long they were just building these 2,000 and 3,000 square foot homes, and with prices and rates where they are, it's nice to builders to recognize they need to go back to making more affordable home options for first-time home buyers. This plan is 1,510 square feet. We do have a nice big open great room, nice sized kitchen. It's the entrance to the 1-car garage as well as a pantry. Plenty of windows for some natural light. There is going to be a powder room off here to the front, as well as a coat closet. And going upstairs, you got nice sized bedrooms, but the hall bath is going to be at the very far end. Laundry room is also upstairs. KB doesn't do the same type of incentives that a lot of the builders do. They generally just start off with a lower price and then, pick your upgrades and go from there. They have been buying rate lock extensions and paying some closing costs, but the incentives always change. So always get a hold of us and find out what you're looking for, and we will help find the best deal, whether it's a new construction property and the best incentives we can find, or the resale market. Still plenty of great homes on the resale market as well. So if you're thinking about buying a new home, give us a call, 702-480-9137. You can always go to our website, lvhomesgroup.com. We'll be happy to help.